In the last session, we learned about different types of products in Magento. In today's session, we are going to learn
a downloadable product. So to add a downloadable product, click on add product and click on downloadable product. Click on continue. Okay, so the options in downloadable product are mostly the same, but the only difference with simple product will be that it will not have any physical existence. So to create a downloadable product, we will add in a name. For example, as a downloadable product here, we will give a set, we will sell an image. So I will name the product as now. The rest of the options are going to be same, and we will select the category and we will select it as, for now I am adding this product into the clothes as well. So let me just change the name. I will the t-shirt image, or let's name it t-shirt style. Book. Okay, let's name it t-shirt style book. And now directly moving to the downloadable information, in the downloadable information you can add in a sample product as well as the original product. The sample product will be available for free, and it can be like a part of the original product, but however it is not mandatory to add a sample product. So here I will add in a new I will name it as image, and you can also specify the max number of downloads. For example, if I select 5, the product will not be downloadable more than 5 times. Then you can specify a file or a URL directly. For now I am going to upload a file from this computer, so I will select a file and I will upload the same image for now, the image which we use for product, and okay, and click on upload files. So the image has been uploaded, and now I will save the product. Okay, this was the sample file, and for now I will keep the sample and original file as the same. So again, and click on save and continue. Okay, now go to the category again and you will see the downloadable product is added. Okay, the product is not here, means we have skipped some of the mandatory fields which I just told you about. So we will go back to the product admin and see what we missed. So if we go to inventory, we haven't selected the quantity, so I will select the quantity to be 50 and in stock. So just check that you haven't missed something else and click on save and refresh the product. Okay, so the t-shirt style book is here and the price is 200. Now if you go to this product, you will see that this is the sample link of the image which we added, and this is you can add this product to the cart by clicking on what you want to buy. So buying the downloadable product is almost same as buying a simple product. The only difference is that the product will not have a physical existence. So now we know how to add 3 different type of products: simple product, a group product, as well as a downloadable product.
in the next session, we are going to learn how to create a virtual product.